Hi, Marie Wilkinson here, leader, artist and healer, here to support you to uncover, live, experience your unique and multifaceted diamond essence. Now the recipe I'm going to share with you today is my chocolate recipe. It's a homemade, most delicious mix, high nutrition, so it's good for you, and super tasty, and everybody, well, I found that everybody loves it. But before I give you the ingredients, I want to share a little story with you. It was some years ago now. I was walking down the Woolworths confectionery aisle, and it struck me, I'm a feeler, so I feel energy, and that energy kind of gets converted sometimes into visions, or I'll receive a vision. The vibration of this confectionery aisle was absolutely disgusting, to say the least. As in, it was so sickly bright. I just went, oh my gosh, I've got to get out of this aisle. It was not a good feeling, I can tell you. And of course, we're eating that. I mean, yeah, a little bit every now and again is not going to be an issue. But I tell you what, that experience I had turned me off completely. And I'm so glad that I've got a healthy addiction for my homemade chocolate. I will include a recipe sheet for you, so don't worry about writing down or remembering what the ingredients are. Oh, by the way, be super careful that you do not get any steam in your chocolate, in your melted cacao butter, because if you get water in there, it will completely glug it up. And instead of having a beautiful, smooth, rich, luscious looking chocolate, it'll be gluggy, lumpy and looking rather dry. Here is actually I'll do it the other way around because it's easier to scrape a bowl. So add the dry to the wet, like so. And then start blending the cacao powder with the butter. Spatulas are brilliant because you can scrape down the bowl really easily. And oh, I've got a big lump of powder there. It's okay, we'll work that through. That's it, still got a big lump of powder there. If that happens, just work it through with the spatula, it's no big deal. Now, when you're mixing the chocolate, I want you to think about love. How much love can you put into this beautiful chocolate that you're making? And I tell you what, it does make it taste a whole lot more scrumptious, is a great word, isn't it? So I'm really working those lumps out, and it doesn't have to be rushed. It's a quick, easy recipe anyway. You don't need to rush it. Just enjoy breaking all those lumps down. Scrape off your spatula every now and again, just like you would if you were making a cake. Scoop round the sides. We're going to add some vanilla essence. I think I said earlier about half a teaspoon. I'm just going to guess it. And start adding your maple syrup. I really take my time with this because there's nothing worse than your chocolate being over sweet. Oh, that's a nice big stirrings. But can you see how glossy the chocolate is? Super shiny. That means I got no steam in the chocolate, or the cacao butter when it was melting. There we go. Really work those lumps out. Putting love into the chocolate. Yeah, yum, yum. That is looking delicious. Now I'm going to have a little test. Get the taste. That's coming along nicely. A little bit more. As well, I'm going to add my roast almonds. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's it's so yummy. I've popped it in a container. That's a double mix. If you want to do a single mix, this is a great size container.
Bliss out on this licking the spatula.